have more energy and I wake up early. I also try new foods, vegetables and fruits. And I always get something different for lunch, breakfast and dinner.
Today my mom made bisabalabad with quinoa and no onions and garlic. I love this food. It's really healthy. I feel light and energetic. I'm going to continue this in the future. I love Isha. I love the foods and it's tasty. Bye.
Namaskaram everyone. Now I'm going to tell you about my food. So this is mixed veggie salad. This has cucumbers, a few carrots, some of the groundnuts, and sprouts. And it even has pepper in it. And this is my kiwi. And these are some blueberries. And I'm having black chane with chane soup with some rice. So I hope you post yours too.
Namaskaram Mukul Anna. After joining the Srishti class, I have started eating 50% raw food for every one of my meal. I have also avoided milk. Before starting my breakfast, I have also started taking honey water. I observed a lot of changes in my body and mind. I feel more energetic and active. Thank you, and I love to continue all these food changes.